What was I saying?
I have a very bad memory.
Even though, I don't know what I said, even though.
Yes, about my English.
Okay, okay. That's the key to understand, to remember what we were talking about. So, even though you don't make an effort, I'm very impressed of your English. You understand?
Yes.
So, do you know what it means?
Que aunque no hayas hecho un gran esfuerzo, has
Okay.
mejorado en tu inglés.
Very good, but you know what I mean, which is different. What I mean, not what it means, what I mean. I mean that, do you want to do the first certificate or not?
Yes, I want to do the first certificate.
Okay, that means that if you want to pass it even with good marks, you only have to make an effort. So there are many people who can't, who has to make a stronger effort than you, or bigger effort than you.
Yeah.
But you don't need to make a strong effort. I can tell. Do you understand? I can tell.
Lo
I can notice, también puedo decir.
que no puedo informar.
Lo puedo notar. I can notice or tell. Okay, so are you going to make an effort? Because there are two sides, okay? I can give my best thought, but if you don't do your best thought, so we're not going to achieve that goal. Do you understand? Or aim. Goal, aim, you know.
Puntería.
No. Goal. What happens? Do you like football?
I don't like football.
But do you know goal?
Yes, I know.
Goal is meta.
Oh.
Okay? That's a goal. They say meta. Because they have achieved it. So the same in the first certificate, the same. We're not going to achieve that goal. You understand?
Sí, es que no hago un esfuerzo al llegar a esta meta.
Exactamente. Por eso la línea de juego en el fútbol más, so
The goal.
the goal, that's why they have it, because they have achieved the goal. You want to achieve the goal or not?
Yes, I want to achieve the goal.
Are you going to make an effort for us, for me, for you?
I'm going to do an effort.
For me, for you, and for your mother maybe?
Yes.
Okay. I will love it. I will love it. Understand? I will love it.
Que te encantaría.
Me encantará. No, pero yo puedo decir I will love it. I love it me gusta, pero es algo que estoy viviendo ahora.
Yeah.
I will, como estamos hablando en un futuro, I will love it. Me encantará, ¿vale? So, what are you asking me? Am I your teacher or not? Or am I an impostor?
You are my teacher.
Okay. What would you improve about your teacher? Is there anything you want to improve? You can tell.
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, tell me. If there must be something.
No, because we do reading, speaking, we are changing all the time, because it's changing, it's not boring.
That's the idea. I'm doing it on purpose. Do you understand? On purpose.
Que lo estás haciendo a propósito.
Of course. I could come here and focus on. Do you understand? Focus. Centrarme. Focus on your work. Okay.
I know.
But that would be very, very boring. Do you agree or disagree?
I agree with that.
I agree.
I agree with that.
Okay. So what are you going to do today?
Today, I'm going to climb.
To climb. Okay.
Okay.
What time is it?
8:15.
Okay. How much have we been recording? How much?
I think,
I don't
not a
know.
lot, half an hour.
Half an hour or something? Do you know? That's okay. You can cut.